Hello, I'm Michael Finn, holistic exercise and lifestyle coach, and some people have been requesting some more advanced, challenging exercises, including balance. So, here we go. So this is going to be my descriptive version of my push jack exercise with hands on the Bosu, round side down on the floor, and your feet on top of a Swiss ball. Alright, so going to be a lot to go through. Number one, I typically recommend a Swiss ball that when you're sitting on it like I am, that your hips are above or at the same level of your knees, not below. Makes it the best there. Okay, so you should have mastered your push-up. I have some other videos on push-ups. Make sure you have mastered your push-up and you're really good at your push-up before doing anything like this. Including jackknives and everything else like on a ball. So this is a little bit crazy. It's for the more advanced people. So we're going to put our hands on the flat side of the Bosu with the round side down. We're going to put one foot up on top of the ball and get everything all kind of stable. And then we're going to bring the other foot up onto the ball. Okay, and get stable and comfy up there with the belly button in, keeping everything flat, keeping everything neutral. So don't let the hips sag down there, but also don't round everything all up there either, okay? So keep it pretty much steady and in the middle so that you're just like a tabletop on the backside. Then you're gonna lower yourself down under control without changing any of that position in your push-up position. Then you're gonna push back out. Then you're going to bending your knees to bring them underneath your hips, to pull the ball underneath you, and then you're going to straighten those legs back out. That was your jackknife. So we're going to do push up first again, lowering down, bringing your chest down towards that Bosu, then pushing all the way back up, and then your jackknife, bringing those knees underneath your hips, and then straightening your legs all the way back out. Always keeping the back in that tabletop position at all times. And when you're doing it super slow, like I am, oh my gosh, are things working? Core's working, brain's working, muscles working, everything is working overtime. So I'm only doing 4 like I just did. All right, so that is push jack with your hands on the flat side of a Bosu, dome down, and your feet on top of a Swiss ball. All right, hope you enjoyed it, hope you like it. Hit the like button, subscribe, ring the little bell so you always get notification of all of my other exercises. Let everybody know, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Have a happy and healthy day.